While everyone obsesses over blender horsepower, they're completely overlooking the toxic materials in contact with their food. Today, I'm revealing which blenders use genuinely safe components in their blades, gaskets, and containers. Links to each of the best non-toxic blenders are in the description box below. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite features a BPA-free glass jar that eliminates concerns about chemicals leaching into your food. Unlike plastic containers that may absorb odors and stains over time, this glass jar maintains its clarity and won't retain flavors from previous blends. You'll appreciate this feature if you alternate between making smoothies and chopping onions or garlic. With its wave action system, this blender continuously pulls ingredients down into the stainless steel Ice Saber blades. This patented technology ensures that everything gets thoroughly blended without manual intervention. You won't need to constantly stop and stir or shake the contents to achieve smooth results. The straightforward control panel includes just 5 buttons that access 12 different functions. This user-friendly design makes it simple to select the perfect setting for whatever you're preparing. Whether you're crushing ice for margaritas or pureeing soup, the appropriate function is just a button press away. Cleanup is hassle-free since the glass jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. The blender's pouring spout also reduces messy drips when serving your creations. These thoughtful design elements save you time and frustration in the kitchen. For about the same cost as a cheap meal out, this blender delivers impressive performance that rivals more expensive models. Its durable construction and 3-year warranty provide excellent value and peace of mind. If you're seeking a non-toxic blending solution that won't break the bank, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite offers an impressive combination of safety, performance, and affordability. Next up on my best non-toxic blender list is this popular glass Oster blender, which combines practicality with reliable performance at a reasonable price point. You'll appreciate the 6-cup glass jar that won't absorb food odors or stains like plastic models often do. This durable container handles hot liquids without warping and gives the entire unit a more premium feel despite its budget-friendly price. With 8 different speed settings, you can easily adjust the blending intensity for whatever you're making. Crushing ice for smoothies? There's a dedicated button for that. Whipping up a sauce or dressing? The lower settings provide more control. The stainless steel blades make quick work of most ingredients, though they may not process the toughest frozen fruits as efficiently as high-end models. Built to handle over 10,000 lifetime smoothies, this durable blender base and sturdy plastic-free blender jug are built to last for years and years. Unlike cheaper plastic options, which are much more prone to burnout and breakage. Setup and cleanup couldn't be simpler. The jar isn't overly complicated to disassemble for thorough cleaning, which you'll appreciate after making sticky smoothies or sauces. It's not the fanciest or most powerful option on the market, but you'll find it handles most everyday blending tasks with ease. Moving on, if you're looking for the best non-toxic personal blender that won't leach chemicals into your small batch smoothies, then this Tribest glass portable blender is definitely worth considering. If you've been searching for a truly non-toxic blender that keeps your food from touching plastic, this model delivers with its 8, 16, and 24-ounce tempered glass jars. The stainless steel blade assembly further ensures your smoothies and shakes never come into contact with potentially harmful materials. The chrome base houses controls that are refreshingly simple to use. You'll appreciate the one-touch pulse button for quick blending tasks and the variable speed dial that gives you control over the consistency of your creations. The silicone-lined lids add another non-toxic element while keeping your drinks secure for on-the-go sipping. Many users love the larger jar's ergonomic handle, making it easier to pour your freshly blended drinks. The dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup, which is always a bonus for busy mornings. With its compact footprint, this blender won't hog precious counter space in your kitchen. Performance is where opinions diverge on this blender. While it handles soft fruits and vegetables excellently, some users say that it sometimes struggles with tougher ingredients like ice or frozen fruit. However, on the whole, most users say that this Tribest blender is actually pretty good for crushing ice, just not quite as good as a full-size countertop blender, that's all. Tribest backs this personal blender with a generous 5-year warranty, showing confidence in its durability. The combination of glass containers and stainless steel components means you're making a healthier choice, not just in what you blend, but in the equipment you use to prepare it. For those prioritizing non-toxic materials over raw blending power, this Tribest model represents one of the few glass options in the personal blender category. Next up, if you're looking for the best non-toxic commercial blender, then the Waring CB15 stands out in the crowded blender market with its impressive 3.75 horsepower motor that can handle over 100 drinks per day. You'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing your blended creations contain no harmful chemicals thanks to the BPA-free and lead-free construction. The stainless steel container is more durable than glass and eliminates concerns about toxic plastics leaching into your food or drinks. Electronic membrane controls make operations simple while ensuring no food particles get trapped in button crevices. The 3-speed selection plus pulse function gives you precise control over texture. Your smoothies, sauces, and purees will achieve perfect consistency without the worries of contaminants from inferior materials. Durability is a key feature with this blender, built for commercial use, but equally valuable in a home that prioritizes health-conscious food preparation. The 1-gallon capacity means you can blend large batches at once. Safety features like lid clamps and auto shutoff protection make this a worry-free addition to your kitchen arsenal. You might find the size intimidating at first, but the 2 handles on the container make it manageable even when full. The 3-year warranty offers additional reassurance that this is a long-term investment in healthy food preparation. For those serious about non-toxic food preparation and volume, this American-made blender delivers professional results. The powerful motor ensures that even the toughest ingredients break down completely, maximizing nutrient extraction without introducing harmful chemicals from lower quality materials. So, what is the best non-toxic blender on the market? Overall, I definitely say that the Vitamix 48-ounce stainless steel container is the best non-toxic blender that you can buy because it offers a truly non-toxic blending solution that eliminates plastic contact with your food while delivering the legendary performance Vitamix is known for. This innovative container represents a significant upgrade for health-conscious blender users. Unlike traditional plastic containers that may leach chemicals into food, especially when blending hot ingredients, the stainless steel design offers a safer alternative. You'll appreciate that this container works with all full-size Vitamix models, making it an easy swap for your existing setup. Durability stands out as a major advantage of this container over glass options. And in case you're wondering why Vitamix doesn't make a glass container, it's probably because their blenders are too powerful. Back to the container, the professional-grade stainless steel construction resists scratches, won't absorb odors, and prevents staining, problems that commonly plague plastic blending containers. When you're making strongly flavored items like garlic sauces or curry, you won't have to worry about those aromas transferring to tomorrow's smoothie. The BPA-free clear lid maintains visibility while blending, allowing you to monitor consistency without stopping. A thoughtfully designed no-drip spout keeps your countertops clean during pouring, reducing messes. The container also comes with a tamper that helps process thicker blends like nut butters or frozen desserts. Cleaning is remarkably simple with this container. It's dishwasher safe for convenience, but also easy to clean by hand. The stainless steel surface doesn't hold onto residue the way plastic can, making it ideal for busy households where thorough cleaning between uses isn't always possible. At 48 ounces, this container offers ample capacity for most blending needs without becoming unwieldy. The slightly smaller size compared to some 64-ounce models actually makes it more versatile for medium batch recipes, whether you're making non-dairy milks, grinding tough vegetables, or processing nuts and seeds. This truly non-toxic container delivers exceptional performance while giving you peace of mind about what's coming into contact with your food. And with that said, you'll find the links for all the products mentioned in the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you found this best non-toxic blender video helpful.